In this tutorial, you will learn an easy way to remove background with the Background Remover tool in Photoshop. First, duplicate the layer by Ctrl+J on the keyboard. Then create a solid color layer and select black color. And put this layer under the duplicate layer. Now go to the Eraser tool. Right-click and select Background Eraser tool. Now load the tolerance. Limits to discontiguous. And select this middle pen. Now start from the white area and drag the mouse to the hair. This will start removing the background. If this not work well, you can lower the tolerance. And start again from the white area. Do this same with all the other sides as well. I'm speeding this session to save your time. Now for the hard edges. Change limits, defined edges. Lower the tolerance to in between 20. And start removing again. If this not work, you can change the tolerance according to your image. I'm speeding this session to save your time. After you're done with this, go to this layer and press Ctrl and click on this layer. This will make selection around the edges. And create layer mask from here. Now go this layer mask and press Alt and click on this layer. Select brush tool and make sure foreground background color to white. Now zoom and start coloring the black color. Fill the white area. To clean the white areas, use white as foreground color. Press X on the keyboard to switch the color to white. I'm speeding this session to save your time. For areas around the hair, use soft brush. After you are done, go to this layer and press Alt plus click. Now from this solid color layer you can use whatever color you want. For more tutorial, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You can check more tutorials here.